Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to become a freelancer on Upwork and Fiverr. Step 1. Choose a platform. First, decide where you want to start. Fiverr is great for selling specific services called gigs, like being a graphic designer, writing, video editing, etc. On the other hand, Upwork is ideal for applying to jobs posted by clients, usually for longer or more detailed projects. So you can use both, but it's best to focus on one when starting out. Step 2. Create your account. Go to fiverr.com or upwork.com and sign up with your email. Make sure to use your real names and a professional photo to build trust right away. Step 3. Verify your identity. Both platforms may ask for ID verification before you can send offers or receive payments. This usually means uploading a government-issued ID like your passport and a driver's license. So taking a selfie or live photo to confirm it's you. It will only take a few minutes and helps keep the platform safe. Step 4. Add a short, clear bio about what you do. Example, I'm a graphic designer with 2 years of experiences in logos, posters, and social media content. Upload a sample of your work or create some just for your profile if you're new. And step 5, create a gig in Fiverr or apply jobs on Upwork. On Fiverr, create a gig that explains what you offer, your pricing, and delivery time. On Upwork, complete your profile, then go to the job feed and submit proposals for jobs that match your skills. Here are some final tips to become a freelancer. Keep your profile honest and clear. Deliver work on time. Be polite and professional in all messages. Ask for reviews from happy clients because they help you grow faster. And that's it. Thank you for watching.